Commissioner, when the plea gets to a lesser included, he has over the recent months provided ample documentation of his attendance in rehab and portable
Okay, thank you.
results.
All right, so are you Guillermo Galvin?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Krenshaw, your client with the formal reading of the indictment.
We do, Your Honor.
I'll get that pulled up. I'll take it. I'll take it. I keep pulling it up the wrong way. So paragraphs 1 and 2 then, to make it a Class A. Okay. Mr. Galvin, in cause number 24, DCCR 2321, the state's elected to proceed on paragraphs 1 and 2 only. Paragraph 1 alleges the offense that we're here for today, that you committed the offense of driving while intoxicated September 28th of 2024. Paragraph 2 alleges that you were previously convicted of driving while intoxicated April 30th of 2014. And how do you plead to that charge?
Yes.
And is that prior conviction true?
Yes.
Did you enter your plea of guilty and true freely and voluntarily? And because you did what they've charged you with?
Yes.
I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state's marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Crenshaw? Do you fully understand them?
Yes.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
And it looks like the agreement that you've reached is for, is it a 1-year term, I guess?
Yes, Your Honor.
With everyone's permission, I'll mark that through it, put that on here.
Please, thank you.
So it looks like the agreement that you've reached is for a 1-year term in the Jefferson County Correctional Facility, but that would be probated. You'd be on probation for 2 years. You would be ordered to pay a $4,000 fine, serve 1 weekend in jail, and follow all of the other rules and conditions of probation, also including having the auto ignition interlock device and a portable breath device. Is that your understanding?
Yes, ma'am. Are both necessary while on probation, or can we just do interlock?
We just need one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's done well on the portable. I'm fine with just.
This might sound like a small detail, but it's actually a big win for the defense. An ignition interlock only affects driving, while a portable breath device can impact daily life constantly. The judge agreeing to limit it shows discretion, and maybe trust. Do you think courts should lean more on tech like this, or does it cross into over-monitoring?
Interlock, whatever.
I think the interlock is what I would prefer to have. All right, with everyone's permission, I'll mark through that on the paperwork.
Thank you.
So you would be required to have the auto ignition interlock device on any vehicle that you drive. Do you understand? And are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
State tenders number 1.
No objection?
It's admitted any evidence that Mr. Galvin's not competent.
No, Your Honor.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of that plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time, find you guilty of driving while intoxicated. Second, sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 1 year in the Jefferson County Correctional Facility, but I will probate that. You'll be on probation for 2 years. You're ordered to pay the $4,000 fine and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation, including having the auto ignition interlock device on your vehicle. You will serve 1 weekend in jail. That will be the weekend beginning November the 28th. You'll be required to show up at the jail at 6:00 p.m. Don't be late. Don't show up under the influence of anything. Both of those things could be violations of your probation, and you'll be right back in here. Do you understand? If you do everything you're supposed to while you're on this probation, then for all practical purposes, your case here in court is over, and you'll be able to serve that term while you're out on probation. The other side of that, however, is if you violate...
This is the moment that matters most. That 1-year sentence. It's basically sitting on standby. Probation isn't freedom. It's conditional mercy. 1 mistake. 1 bad decision. And this deal disappears instantly. Be honest. Do you think probation actually helps people stay on track, or just sets traps they're bound to trip?
Any condition of probation, you could be brought back in and you would be facing that 1-year sentence that you've already agreed to. Do you understand? I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. You need to have a seat here in the courtroom. Probation, she's sitting at that desk right there. She will call you up when she's ready to go over your paperwork. All right, good luck to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, how are you?
Doing well, thank you.